This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by disabling power and confirming the line is dead. Safety first. Once that's confirmed, gather the essential tools, wire strippers, a ~25W iron, flux, solder, heat shrink, and a multimeter, so you don't interrupt the flow. Now inspect the Omni extension wire closely to locate the damaged conductor, noting color codes and shielding. Strip about 6-8 mm of insulation off each conductor at the repair point. Make clean cuts and avoid nicking adjacent strands. You now focus on restoring electrical continuity. After stripping 6-8 mm of insulation, gently twist each conductor to compact strands. This prevents fraying. Apply a small amount of flux, then tin the exposed ends with solder, just enough to coat, not glob. Once tinned, align matching color conductors and solder each joint smoothly. Work fast but controlled to prevent thermal damage. Make sure joints are mechanically stable before soldering by holding wires in place. Once soldered, you finish by positioning heat shrink over each soldered joint, then apply even heat with a gun or controlled lighter to shrink it snugly. Avoid scorching. Once insulated, reinforce the repair with electrical tape and add a strain relief sleeve or adhesive to prevent future flex stress. Reassemble any outer jacket or shielding and restore the connector if you removed it. Finally, test continuity with a multimeter and run a functional load test. If you detect intermittent faults, re-examine solder joints first. Poor wetting is the most common culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.